Hello my friends, Ellen here. Hope you're having a wonderful day and welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to and on. My friends, are you a die-hard chocolate lover like I am? Then you're going to enjoy my triple chocolate cookies. They're going to be so quick and easy, chocolatey, heavenly, delicious, delightful. And we're going to put some chocolate cream cheese frosting on it. And everybody will enjoy these for Easter. All right, you ready? Let's go bake some chocolate cookie magic in my southern kitchen. Alright, the first step we're going to do is make our dry ingredients. Over here in my bowl, I have 2 4 cups of self-rising flour. We're going to add in 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Stir all this together. And we're going to set these aside while we work on our wet ingredients. Alright, my friends, in my bowl, I have 1 cup of unsalted butter softening, which is 2 sticks. And we're going to add in 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract and our sugars, 3/4 of a cup of white sugar and 1 cup of packed dark brown sugar. And we're going to cream all of these until it's nice and fluffy. Alright my friends, the butter and sugar is nice and creamy. Next we're going to add in 2 eggs at room temperature, 1 at a time. Blend this all in until it's nice and well incorporated. Alright my friends, the eggs are nice and beaten in. So now we're going to slowly add the dry to the wet. And mix all together until it's nice and well combined. Alright my friends, this is what our cookie dough looks like, nice and thick. Alright, that looks awesome. So now for our final ingredient, we're going to add in 1 cup of chocolate eggs. Make it a little special. After all, it's Easter. And we're just going to fold the chocolate eggs in. And I cut them in half. Alright my friends, I'm through mixing up my cookie dough. So now we're going to form our dough into teaspoons. And we're going to put them on a 9 to 10 inch long cookie sheet that is lined with foil, or you can use parchment paper. Alright my friends, I got all my dough together and I'm making 12 cookies, or you can make as many as you prefer. So now we're ready to put these in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 350 degree oven and we're going to let it bake for 8 to 10 minutes. Alright, I'll see y'all back here in a minute. My friends, it smells amazing and chocolatey up in this kitchen. I have taken my cookies out of the oven, and what's better than the smell of freshly baked cookies? Don't they look good? Alright, so all we do now is let the cookies cool for a few minutes and then we'll plate them up. Alright my friends, our cookies are nice and cool and we're going to put them on my Easter tray. Isn't that pretty? A nice bunny shaped platter. Perfect for Easter. Alright, here we go. Alright my friends, I got a few of my cookies on there. So now we're going to ice them using my chocolate cream cheese frosting. And I did a video on that. I'll post a link to that video down below in the description box. Alright my friends, I'm through frosting my cookies. And now for the final step, we're going to add some heart-shaped sprinkles. Alright my friends, there you have it. Triple chocolate cookies. Don't they look gorgeous? And I apologize, they're egg-shaped sprinkles, not the heart-shaped. Alright, let's give these cookies a taste. Got me one right here. Here we go. I'm in chocolate heaven. My friends, these are the bomb.com. So chocolatey. And I love the chocolate eggs inside. This definitely be an awesome treat for Easter or any time of the day. And that chocolate cream cheese frosting on it, delightful. Chocolatey delicious. Well, I want to thank you so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat and happy Easter.